YouTube Shorts, even though they are relatively new, have gotten huge numbers, and there are people who are making thousands of dollars through YouTube Shorts. But what if you are like me and you are too lazy to film anything, and if you don't even know what to film in the first place? Well, in that case, then you have come to the right place today, because in today's strategy I'm gonna show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts without the need of filming anything. I will show you a simple trick to make money through YouTube Shorts without recording a single thing, without relying on ad revenue to make money, because the CPM over there is pretty low, and lastly and most importantly, without investing any money or whatsoever. And I know that sounds great, but it's not the only strategy we use ourselves. So if you want to see how we actually make money online and how our business model works, then feel free to click on the first link onto the description down below, where you can also get exclusive tool that pretty much does the work for you. Once again, that will be the first link in the description down below. Alright, so as you have heard on this tutorial, I will show you how to make money online with YouTube Shorts. Just before I show you what you need to do, let me first explain what YouTube Shorts are. So most of you will know it, but for those who don't know it, YouTube Shorts are basically YouTube versions of TikTok. As the name suggests, a YouTube Short is up to 60 seconds long video that you can actually upload to YouTube, and it's supposed to be funny, entertainment, because YouTube will get a lot of views from this type of videos. I'm gonna show you an advantage of how to make money online with it. So with this brief explanation out of the way, let's get to today's tutorial. And the very first thing I want you to do, guys, is I want you to think of the kind of niche you will want to focus on. There are a lot of big niches that you could try on, but some of the niches that I will recommend, because these are pretty huge, that will be entertainment. This could be like either funny cat videos, any other pet videos, or another big niche is actually weight loss and fitness. So whichever niche you would like, just choose one. And without any more delay, let's go into the computer and let me show you today's strategy right now. So in today's strategy, the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to come to YouTube, and in YouTube you're gonna put, for example, cat funny videos YouTube Shorts, okay? And then you're gonna see that a lot of clips gonna appear. These are short clips normally used for entertainment purposes, or something, as you can see, something really funny, or something that it can actually entertain the viewers. So once that you do that, I want you to go to filters, okay? And in filters, we want to click on Creative Commons. Once that you click on Creative Commons, these are actually videos that you can actually download, like for example this one. So what we are going to do is you're gonna get the URL, okay, and keep pressing close attention, because I'm gonna show you how you can actually make money with this strategy. So once that you do that, I want you to come to a website which is called Save From Net, okay? It's actually a YouTube downloader. So you're gonna click on the link, and I want you to paste your link on this website, okay? And then you're gonna see that this shows up, and you're gonna have to wait a couple of seconds and just clicking on that load, and then you will see that within a few seconds the video will display here. So just bear with me 1 second, and then you will see very slowly. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the video appears here. It will be as simple as just clicking in download to download this video into your computer, and then just wait a couple of seconds before the video is downloaded, okay? And the next website which I want you to come to is Canva, okay? So Canva is a website which is used for different purposes, but this time I want you to go to the video section, okay? And then on the video section, there are different sections to use for when I go into mobile video, okay? And then once that you do that, what we're going to do is actually we're going to upload the video that we have already downloaded, okay? So I'm gonna go into my downloads, and then actually let's see, what is it? Let me find the video, 1 second. Let's go into download. It should be here. Okay, so I found it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're gonna add this video, and then once that you add the video, you know, you can actually add it into Canva. You know, as soon as it plays, the video will show. So the only thing you just need to do is just upload it to Canva, and then you can actually use different backgrounds if you want to, you know, but for this purpose, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just leave the white background because it's simple, but you can use different color if you like, you know. And then what we're going to do is we're gonna make a little bit of a space to add our text. Okay, so we're going to put a click on the link on the description. And by doing that, you're actually telling people that what they need to do is they need to click on the link on the description, which I'm gonna show you why they need to do that and how they're gonna make a lot of money with it. Okay, so once that you have put this link, you can actually download this file to the computer because you are going to need it. And once it's downloaded, it's just gonna take a couple of seconds. And what we're going to do in the meantime, we're gonna go back to our YouTube channel and we're gonna go into uploads. Okay, so we are going to upload the video that we just downloaded. And once that we upload the video over here, you will see that you need to add your title and so on. So you can put something like funny videos compilation. Let's go funny. And then, you know, I will actually recommend you to put a hashtag of shorts, and then you will put a description over here, and here you will put the link of of where you're gonna send the people to, and this link is gonna help you to make money, and I'm gonna show you how in a second. So as you scroll down, you can as well, I'll advise you that you can create, you know, actually in Canva you can create a thumbnail if you want to. You can create something that can capture people's attention, and then as you scroll down, just make sure that it's not made for kids. Then I will take off the allow automatic chapters. I will put some tags. You know, you have until 500 keywords, so you can keep adding. I actually use this program which is called BDQ, which is actually very good. So, you know, I recommend you to add it to check it out, because, you know, as you can see, you can click here and then you can check by the most used, and then it's as simple as just adding the tags. This is gonna help you for your video to rank much better. Okay, so once this is done, what we're going to do is you will actually go into uploading the video. But before we doing that, let's go into a website which I'm gonna show you how to make money. So you're gonna come to a website which is called teespring.com, and this website basically allows you to put different pictures in different products. This could be like a t-shirt, this could be like mags or so on, and then you could start selling it straight away. Okay, so what you could do, you could go into Google and click on cat t-shirts, so then you can get an idea of the type of, you know, cat image that you could create, and it will be as simple as signing up. I'm gonna actually sign up with Google with a Google account I have. So for example, this one, and then once that I've signed up with it, then you will see that it's pretty simple to use any type of design you want to. Okay, so just a couple of seconds before it loads. Well, this is unusual. I don't know why it doesn't allow me to log into Teespring, but if you do it, it actually will work for you. Okay, so you know, I'm doing this live, so these things happen, so I don't want to waste any of your time, but I just want to explain you the concept so you can go ahead and do it. Okay, so if you click on Teespring, then what you can actually see, you can see all the different products out here where you can, you know, and the type of product that you could design. Anyways, once that you have signed up with this website, the only thing is once that you create your product, then you will just create your product. You will put, for example, your cat animal over there, and they're gonna provide you with a link. Okay, as I say, in this case it doesn't allow me to sign up for some weird reason, but you know, we keep moving forward because I want to show you the strategy and you're gonna see how valuable it is, you know. So I would recommend you to go for a simple t-shirt, you know, to start with. This is actually very nice design. You could copy something like that, but with the pet that you like the most. And then once that you get your link, you're gonna come back to your YouTube video and you're gonna put the link into the description saying click on the link below if if you want to find out more about, this product and so on. And then when people make a purchase from this website, you are going to get paid. Okay, so as you see, you can come to this website. This website is great. You can have a look at the bottom. You can see how you can sell anything and how you will be able to get paid. You can check the different reviews and so on. So yes, this is all for today's strategy. Very simple, very straightforward. Just keep in mind this YouTube Shorts, it will take a couple of seconds to, I would say maximum couple of minutes, for you to be able to upload this video. So I would recommend you to go upload as many as you possible. You can have 100, 200 videos of this, and then having your link to the Teespring t-shirt that you have already created. So you will go create your account, and then you will start to create your designs. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you like it. It's very simple, very straightforward, and you can start making money right now. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't sleep on it, and just take massive action. Okay, and additionally, if you want to make thousands and thousands of dollars per day, there is a link into the description. Just go check it out, sign up, and watch the video introduction, which is gonna give you all the steps you need to do in order to get started and start selling high ticket products. Okay, and this is how I've been able to make thousands of dollars online, and I want to show you to do the same. Okay, so as I said, this is all for today's strategy. Very simple, straightforward. You just need to create your YouTube Shorts, upload it, and get your link, and that's it, and you start getting paid. Okay, so this is all. I hope that you like it. If you like it, please just give me a massive like, because that's all you can do right now to help the channel, and it's free. Okay, so thank you very much for your support, and I will bring you the new latest strategies on digital marketing every single day. So keep watching, activate the notifications on, so make sure that you don't miss out. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you very soon. Take care now.